In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use branding themes on Xero to add your logo and personalize your invoices. If you've been wondering how to enhance the professional look of your invoices, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in. Once you've logged into your Xero account, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout first. It may seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we'll walk through it together. Your company name is prominently displayed in the top right corner of the screen, and clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, look for the option labeled Settings. Select this option, and you'll find yourself on Xero's Settings page. This is your control center for managing various functions, including how your invoices are formatted and distributed. Within the Settings page, draw your attention to the section called Invoice Settings. Clicking on this will take you to the area dedicated to managing the finer details of your invoice options. You'll find that this section holds everything you need to ensure your invoices are not only functional, but also serve as a reflection of your brand's ethos. One of the first actions to take is to click on New Branding Theme. When you do, a new setup page will open, allowing you to begin crafting the visual elements of your invoices. At this point, the possibilities for personalization are vast. Take your time to explore the options available. You can adjust colors, choose different styles, and incorporate various visual elements that align with your business identity. It's essential to create a design that authentically represents your company. Once you're satisfied with your selections, make sure to click Save. This action will secure all of your customizations, ensuring they're ready for use. Now that your branding theme is saved, it's time to proceed to the invoice template you've created. There you'll notice an options menu. Clicking on this menu will reveal additional layers of customization. One key customization here is to add your logo for that personal touch. Choose the Upload Email Logo option, and you'll be prompted to click on Browse, allowing you to find the logo file on your device. Remember to select a high-resolution file, as a crisp and clear logo will lend a more professional look to your invoices. After selecting the correct file, finalize the process by clicking the Upload button. This step rolls out your customizations into action, transforming your invoices into not just informative documents but also a consistent representation of your brand, leaving a lasting impression on your clients. Just like that, your personalized branding theme is ready to be applied to your invoices. This effort not only enhances the aesthetics of your invoices, but also strengthens brand recognition among your clientele. By following these steps, you're ensuring every invoice you send is aligned with your business branding,